let's make these fluffiest pancakes super easy and delicious to make. Take 2 eggs in a bowl. Separate the egg yolks for both the eggs. Now we'll add maida to the egg yolks, add sugar and some milk. Mix everything well with a whisk until you get a smooth batter. Now in another bowl, take egg whites which we have separated earlier. Whisk them well until they are fluffy and light. Keep on whisking. We recommend you to whisk with electric blender. I have added all the ingredients with steps and measurements in description. Do check them out. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such amazing recipes. Add vanilla extract to the mixture and keep on whisking. Once the mixture is ready, add the small portion of egg white mixture into the batter which we have prepared earlier. Mix them with cut and fold method. Take your time while doing that. Once everything is mixed well, add this mixture to piping bag. If you do not have a piping bag, you can directly spread the mixture on pan with the help of spatula. With the help of piping bag, we are giving shape to our pancakes. Cook them well on low heat until they are doubled in size. Now flip them and let them cook from another side as well. Look at this gorgeous tan brown color. Once ready, plate them and top them up with chocolate sauce. The recipe of chocolate sauce is available on our Dubai's viral chocolate cake recipe video, which you can check out. We'll share the link in the description. Serve hot and enjoy. Do let us know what you think about